A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the boss with another video. I could put a like and listen to this. We have two, alright, we have a little short story and we also have some voice note to play in a today video. Ladies, is a habit phone if you take picture on the private and send it to give man on phone? I don't know if the older woman them in them 60s or what do them so yeah, but me I get a whole heap of message from my phone today. Some of them I'm gonna hear a couple still, but Jado, it look like it's an ongoing thing. People sell them body pictures for money. So for instance, a woman meet a man and you know what I mean, you start sending picture and he say to him say, you can't send me some money and say, hey, yeah man, send me money man, but when you come want some pum pum and he say, yeah man, me so fatty pum pum is and she say, alright. And just turn in any position and send a game and when you send a game, it's like him over firing and the top thing about it. What you want to do with the other side? It look like it's a thing what go on, man. Hey, but if a Jamaican woman alone stays, but yo, the cool and that. You to tell me maybe man never do it. I think woman then so stupid still, but Jado the man there, especially some elderly man over fine and I get no pokey. You know, meet woman them pan line, you know? So me see how you look like and you look like man always ask woman for picture. And then something. Come on guys, I'm not honest. I don't ever ask a woman them. Once you know a woman then get close, that I have second thing when I ask her. Though? Oh, yeah man. So anyway, have a laugh. But anyway guys, we're gonna play some audio now. I want to the thumbs up a video. I'm not top calling man that man. Everybody had to do that sometime in our life. Me had to do that too. So nobody come at the man with the video I put last night. Alright? So million I want. Guys, if you sending no pictures and sending no audio, if you want to seek a little work, and have to be specific which part you want to work, which area. And if you don't want a relationship, you can link me and me post it. What one lady there on the show, so one lady reach out to me, so I'm going to play for her audio and put up for her picture. But I'm going to listen to them two audio first before we move on to you have to laugh when we listen to this. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, these are the thoughts of people who watch the channel. Men who watch the channel, not mix up boss, alright? We could drive and listen.
Yes, MIXUP boss, good evening. Hello, come on. I had up my voice on the story, man, tell her. Yo, we tell her this, ma, watch the story with the man where. Say I lose 20 million. In look at 20 million, him lose. And should I lose 100? May I sympathize with him, but I say, but they said thing to reach him up to be on a MIXUP boss. Yeah, man. Y'all remember meet this girl. When we're there Jamaican, you know me have our number. So I start call her, me and her start talk. And right after about 2 weeks, then no. She tell me say, she want a serious relationship with me. So I want a man, she say, she and a man there. But then they're upon a good terms, what if she finds some other way? We can meet our needs and, you know, she say, a way where a relationship can deal with. She deal with one with me. So I was alright at the time, so I take a chance and so on. Well, long story short, we start upon the phone. Regular and, you know, at night time we get little Arnie and one on two then she start tease me, she just teasing with some picture. She teasing with her like she put on Bazier and put on like you know, Pond River and thing then, stand picture and something and tell her so I like these pictures. So I said to her, she say, I'm sure enough, asking about it. She said no. So I said to her, I said, why you send me a picture of the buff? And she said, she will send me anything more, but me have to send money come for it. And we said, well, and send her change $1 first. And she sent me one picture we should turn back with. staring back around the canal glass. And, everything looked quite tired around her back, as man we see woman position somewhere. We stand up and we start to imagine out there about things and you don't know how you go. And yeah, but what? No. We notice that the relationship moved from wanting to find a serious man to sending pictures. So when she sent me that picture, she said to me, she have a surprise him when next time up on her phone. She said she have some picture to send me, so she starts sending picture of breasts. And she sent picture with her tongue long out her head and her finger in her private and something. And when I like, but I like, come and say, I'm start send her back some more money. But this like one day, I said to myself, no man, this not real way, yeah. If she says she wanted to see what she is, way off a sudden she changed and start saying, naked picture to me. For me, see her. Me, I said to myself, no man, me need to get up all of myself. And me, I said to myself, then if me and her talk and she starts in with them picture this up, we are talk for just 1 month. When I hear the family planning, when I hear not instructor, it's just tap on phone and send pictures on each time. I send pictures on. Cause she says she not talk to man for money, so I guess she never want ask me for the money. Just use the picture more than one time. So when me see that story with the money, I mean, I talk about man send picture and money. I don't want that story and about that still what. Me can't testify to money. Man then know I had. You think they easy? Let me have all their man, brother. I'll go in front. Anything. And take pictures and it can get just for money. Then call, brother, then call. And them have them man, them have them man. So when we had a brother attack, yeah, man. I've been tree, but me smart. We stop it before you go no further. Then it's done. Either come to Jamaica, me neither call like, I find somebody that's more, intelligent and serious. For them style, then come with, come here, to myself, say, she show me, that means a shall show her that woman. Other man, sorry. That means a shall show other man. Maybe woman to you never can tell. But him with us, I put him 2 cent pan that. All right, so, my little story that in a long, but I say, me did walk away, so I'm gonna end up lose a lot. With all the little $500, what them coil on them, man. Them coil, yeah.
Boy. Boy, I don't know if you say. Alright, so we can hear the next one. Boy, hey, you never notice some topic where talk over here is like it's current affairs and it's things that happen now. Most people might listen to this type of audio and content and say, oh, what kind of something they mix up boss I put time. No gossip. People not comment below if you don't believe woman do them something. Yeah. I know enough I want a big woman do it too. But maybe I not do it for money. I don't know a man them maybe do it too. I don't know if they might do it for money. But anyway, I could listen to the next one.
MIXUP, boss. What go on, brother? You know, say me I listen to the thing that the brother saying give the woman 20 million for pum pum picture. I think just remember a thing what happened to me in 2018. You know, say yo, a girl from Jamaica. Me wanna chat to her, and we meet on Facebook and she sent me a whole heap of pussy picture and I mix up boss. I'm not telling her man the pussy look good, And she asked me for money, and I tell her one thing, say, the only way I can get my money, I have to see in person. I'm not telling her mix up boss. The pussy picture didn't get to me so much, boy. I say, no, I go book a cheap flight and head to Jamaica because I say, the only way I can get $300 from me or $200 US, I have to come see in person. I'm just book a spirit flight. I head to Jamaica, go kill a weekend, and beat up the pum pum and fall back up and give her a 3 bills. Right now, mix up boss, tell the truth. The woman them in Jamaica a headache and problem, and the woman them in America a headache and problem. And right now, mix up boss, me feel better, comfortable living single without dealing with none of them. So right now, me I live the passport bro life. Me a travel and have fun in a South, Central and North America. And me go take me thing to Europe, Eastern Europe and Africa. Look by look. 2 trips for a year. Until the truth mix up boss. Me go to Dominican Republic 2 months ago. I'm not telling a lie, yo. Me have so much fun over there. When I say the amount of woman want me or rush me down. But like I say, me not look in a relationship because I feel comfortable being single. I just travel for fun. When I travel, my suitcase full of condom and it's cheaper for me. The amount of woman rush me, boy. Trust me, and the woman them look so damn good. But me just choose one for just spend a week with, have some fun with her, and just give her money. Boom. And cut out back. It better for me. Two time a year, me will travel. Me perfectly alright. Just work, save up the money, take care of my bills, have my money secure when I know so I go use and travel and have fun. That's it. Me perfectly fine. My personal account money, me not touch it because I make sure work, do all the shift, do overtime, and have my money secure separately if we just have fun, travel and have fun. And I feel comfortable because the woman them have a problem and the one them in Jamaica have a problem. Me a born yard man. Come from Ochi.
Passport bros. Wow. Hey, you see with all of them story, especially all the one last night, it come like man lose trust in a woman, you know. Woman lose trust in a man. Boy, the world, like, then I gotta come for the world, you know. But boy, I mean, I don't know. You find a woman now, you don't know your agenda. You find a man, hey, come on, me tired for you repeat. I mean, I said too much wickedness just about, bro. Lord God. Guys, if you reach this far on the thumbs up the video for me now and comment. What do you think about relationship in 2024? Is it worth it? All of you single ladies, well, like, desperate for a relationship, I would rather just go and single and ride it out. What go on? The man them. Me have a look at 70-year-old man, he no stop bother me saying want one woman. He no stop bother me, but in condition where I no think no woman I go take on to him. But I don't know what go on here, man. But anyway, I play one part of me live last night with a big man I call in and he talk one wine though. And he is a married man. He did that on the ear, so I just a ear back, so someone only can hear back who never did a watch it. Alright. I remember further down in the video, I have a lady where I seek somebody. I put her down in the last part, but I could listen what the man I say. Like God, and this man I'm a married man too, boy almighty. I can't, I don't know the internet. Okay.
Yeah, you can't look no wife for internet, brother. A woman heart and head you have to look. And it take a while to figure it out too.
True.
Alright, me come to Jamaica. Me tell you say, me talk to you already, me tell you say, one leg me have a do upholstery.
Oh, you have one leg. And you do upholstery.
Yeah, man, me lose one of my leg, man, to accident and me sit down on a little change, right?
Mm-hmm.
And me at work. Suppose me send when me bill come show you, brother, you know say 1 foot, man, and me come there, me book up a girl 40, and my wife is there, so me can talk. And the three first thing me tell her, you know, a one leg me have, me no have no money, and me married.
Mm-hmm.
That means if you hear them three something that you don't go to how you want to work with it. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look here. When me at 22, my response to 3 pick than a woman, you know.
So what age you lose a leg?
I'm 7 years now, next February makes 7 years.
Car accident?
Yeah, I walk up and me walk all 10 block, you know, brother.
Yeah, how much now?
Me are 70 man, the 30th of January I come here 70, but me do upholstery for 50 odd years, so me active all my life.
And you still can perform in a bed?
What you mean? You see, what happens is that there are some little pill you take, you know, say, oh, it's a last one at 30 minutes, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And here what me do now. When me I go to all a young girl, because you me sensible about pussy. If me fuck a girl at 2-3 times, you know. Me buy a deal to go there, make it don't help me walk through.
You buy a what?
Sucking breast. Eh?
Where you buy?
Me buy all a deal to gear and I use it while me suck the breast. And then we there.
Okay.
You get me? That deal, you know, man. Well, the deal don't work like if they would have gone on and come up, they just push you in the deal and I okay, them guy get them ball your fuck and make nice and feel good. Yeah? Because the whole thing where we understand as a whole man, you know, we used to fuck dry pussy and dry out pussy.
Yeah, I could take time. Hold on there, Trevor. Yeah, I take time with them type of word. Just talk it in a code. Like you can say pum pum or juke. You know, make it sound more.
You buy that woman too. Make them bill one something for you can do a yard to put on. But if you're the 16-year-old and come up with the same guy, you find the right one. How you find him now?
Okay.
Eh? You have to make the phone company bill one for you, right? So me hear some people attack. I say them a look man, and them a look man, and they want to see picture. Hey, brother, me want some boy, you know, me a brown man. Well, brown and black, you know, so. But me want some boy, you know, and me not look woman, me not look girls through her face or her physique. I mean, no, say me pass them the stage, I hear that me a dealing.
But it all come at time you have to dash in the towel and a Trevor.
Eh?
You have to dash in the towel and then time you can watch them pill where you take them not good for your heart. You go to take one and erase your heart and you don't know, so you go get fat.
But all at once a year you do it.
Oh, once a year you do it?
Yeah, man, me no come to Jamaica. I will come to Jamaica, me fool on one.
Oh, so who you live with now? Hold on. You live with your wife now? You live with your wife?
Oh, you mean, man, at 25 years we live with wife?
Your wife how much?
70, just like me.
Oh, he said it. So, you're not about that. That's companionship. Me just get to something. That's companionship when you just deal with. No.
Yeah, no, we have sex, man. But you think me never make no young girl call me old man? You're mad.
Oh, you and your wife you have sex anyway?
Oh, you mean?
Oh, because me I say you the same thing when you throw in the towel and just call it a day.
Look at, watch out. Make anybody really, at 35-year-old live in America, you can tell you a lot of things about America. You have 8-year-old people go back to college to get their masters. What you are going to do with it when you get it? Nobody know all the foreign, brother.
Alright, so, well, like you have your wife and you come to Jamaica, and that's when you carry the dildo and you look at something them, Okay. So,
when you use something to take out a case key. I don't never use it.
Oh, so you'd say your wife agree, your wife not no problem with you, or do you look freaky shit?
No, man, then what, let me ask you something though. Then if you use to 25 year a good thing, if you can go on now like how you used to memories by the school, you have memories. Just like how you play some music and then, oh my God, it warms your heart. I see where memories work.
Oh, no, I mean I say you're married and you come and you go to the young girl and I say if your wife know about you or you just keep.
Oh, you make wife know about that, brother. You have a lot to lose. You lose house and car and land. What you say?
Oh, okay.
You can't make wife know about that.
But Trevor, remember with the on the ear, it's supposed she watch your show and hear you.
No. She don't watch them thing, man. She don't listen to them. I'm going to be one and two, TV.
Be a TV. If you know the woman that watch YouTube and they say pop something pop up, MIXUP bars. And she say, what is MIXUP bars? And when she watch it, she hear and say, well on there. And she call and say, Trevor, listen to somebody, you sound like yourself. What? You sound like me, but I know me. Whoa. Eh?
Sometimes you hear some people call you. Come listen you all the while, but sometimes you hear some people talk, man. They laugh. Brother, you think I'm here, somebody laugh. How me laugh?
Okay.
People are real. Hey, you know, say, I want smart man me talk to you. And my brother named Errol, very smart, you know.
Oh, Errol, okay.
Yeah, man, the man, hey, brother, you know, tell us when we 22 years old, we responsible woman and 3 kids. So we left for me know about woman now. Eh? They may same to you.
No, David, I'm sorry to take up your time. Well, I have to go to the meeting. I'm gonna have to go. Let me repeat myself. Oh my gosh. Your wife don't listen to this though. I never heard this. I never heard this before in my life. Oh my gosh. No. Listen. Listen, man. Just delete your life when you have your shows, right? Because, you know, you have stupid ass people like me who gonna pee themselves. No. No. Goodbye.
What a laugh. Anyway, so you go sometimes we can't take everything serious, see? Yeah. Alright, so as promised, I promised that I'm gonna show some. Alright, so I show the single lady. I shall see somebody and look on the screen and see her picture and tell me what I go on. So I'm gonna hear what I go on in my voice note. Alright, go listen.
Morning, Damien. My name is Tamara. I watch your show all the while. I'm gonna watch all of them because sometimes I'm at work. You're about 42 years old. I'm searching for a very good man. This might sound a way, but all my life I've been trying Jamaican men and I don't know, I still can't find none different. It's like if my bad lucky, me has a buck up in the wrong man them. Tell you the type of woman I am. I'm a very honest, kind person. And I don't believe that no woman have a man and the man alone if he spend or give. Me not rich, but the little things matters. I always treat my man them like king. But it's like me always buck up in the wrong man them. I'm a reach a point in my life now. I live alone now. Because I move out of my last boyfriend because he show me a side I never know say him have the for almost call it 2 years because in St. August, October come that be 2 years and that for move out of him. I do everything for this man. Him tight, him mean. I still do everything. My girlfriend live at house with the hours. I say, boy, me good and I say she don't want no man because the things that she see me do, but me need to try overseas man nowadays, man. Me tell her the honest truth. I try Jamaican man all my life from me know me have boyfriend, baby, father, everything. I don't know if I bad lucky, me bad lucky or what, I don't know. Yeah, that's all look for nice man. Somebody if you second long, because I get old and now married. And all those things, and just live a good, loving, kind, peaceful life. Thanks.
Anyway, guys, that. And yeah, me have some guys. You know what me I go do? Sometimes I try play some things decent and not bad at all. Yeah, I want me can put a smile on the face so I can. Yeah, I remember if you reach out to the lady if you're interested. Alright, no eyeglass, please. I saw me I do it now. Send you on a picture on a voice note. Man or woman, I'm put it out. You never can tell. Because I realize there's a lot of single people. We're not going to give up on love. Or we're not going to give up on relationship. Good man and good woman still out there. But the 75-year-old lady, I'm going to bring her a story with you and I get a little bashing and something. See, me hear people say, oh, me not for coming a Christian thing if I'm not a Christian and all that. But here we go on. Something about this 75-year-old lady that is off, and I'm going to get to the bottom of it. May I get to the bottom of it? You know, so today she texts me. Remember me telling her, so me send about 9 number go give the 75-year-old woman. See? And me talk to the woman, me make she get about 7 man reach out to her, so she go call me now today. Send me leave a voice message. When you know she said the woman and I write it, as when me telling her say friend did I say. So me I go do a background check on her guys. After me do all of this, Martin, listen to this, guys.
Damien, good night, Damien. Me ask if you get a nice little husband for me, you know. That's why me call you, I ignore my call, man. Just talk to me, no, man. Talk to me, man. Look something nice to me. Nice, me no want no African man. Look something nice from some of the foreign country or Jamaica or something, but look somebody nice to me. Thank you.
That lady you're talking about, 75-year-old. Oh my God. Christian and one man. If you go serving God. If you go serving God. Me are 61. I mean I act like she. Me can't hold it. Me not care about me think me can live the rest of my life without man. Although I'm not single right now, but if it come to the test, I will do it. I don't worry about flesh. It's just flesh. People worry about and get used and abused. No. If you go to church, go serve our God, she talking about man. If my mom was 75 and going on like that, I don't know. I don't know what I would do with her. And calling about him one man? No. No. Go serving God. Remember my grandmother husband died early age. And she never go cross the next man until she 95. She passed away. It's when it's your mind and your brain and everything you let control you. You put those things on your mind and your brain, that's what happened. What kind of heart that 75-year-old kind of heart where she want man? She not doing much already? Think about what you do in life already, man. Why you still want people to come abuse you, this 75-year-old? No. No. And the one where I text you, where I talk about, she not supposed to ask non-Christian advice. Them crazy too. Them crazy. The non-Christian, they know better than them. If you know what them doing in the church, you drop down and dead. You hear them attack there? Some of them, no good. They are no good in the church. I scared to go to church. I was going to a church in Canada here, when I live here in Canada. I like the pastor and preach. He used to preach good. So I go there, but them all about money. They love the money. And I stop. And you know what happened, Damien? I heard the pastor grinding a young girl in the church, and he having wife and big kids in the church, you know. And grinding a young girl in the church, and the wife find out. You know what happened? You have to run away. You have to give up the church. So don't listen to them. The Christian them, they're worse than the worldly and them. You know better than them. I'm friggin' serious. You know 100% more than them. They maybe read the Bible, but who knows they understand the words when in the Bible? If they understand it, they would never behave like that. They would never behave like that. If you know what them are doing at the church, man, you don't want to go there. Me grew up in a church in a Jamaica there, Westmoreland, me come from. My grandmother used to, all the way, he used to carry a church. Every Sunday we have to go to church with her. Me grew up in a church. So me know what is church. You are more Christian, more money whole lot, some of them will go to church. Amen. So don't listen to people. Whatever they want to write, let them write. Because their conscience are bother them. That's why. They have a conscience. So they don't like hear the truth. I like to hear the truth. People not supposed to offend over the truth. Is the truth just saying about this 75-year-old? And they have to understand the woman, people are going to abuse her and use her and everything. You give a young boy that the number, what? Who knows? They don't want her. They don't want her. You tell her the truth, and I would do the same thing too. I would tell her in her face, go church and stop talking about man. Go read your Bible, serve your God, and take man off of your mind and see how you. My grandmother go church when her husband dead. I never hear my grandmother talk about a man. And him husband dead when he couldn't date the next man. And him by our side, we by her side. And she never ever mentioned she would have date a man. When she died 2017, 95-year-old. If she did have man, get the next man, who knows? Stress would have killed her already. And she have diabetes, everything, blood pressure, everything. And she live in Canada, we take care of her, and she died 95. Without, still walking on her own, still walking. She doesn't use a limb, nothing there, man. Strong. She just took sick one day, and then 2 days after she passed away. Peaceful. So peaceful. I don't know what happened. She saw something, I don't know. And just like that. Somehow we not even get to see her. She gone. And she always hope for that wish all the time. She don't want to suffer. She just wants sick. And when she's sick, God take her. And that's her wish. She get her wish. Yes, she get it. Yeah, she get her wish. And I'm happy. She never suffer. She never lie in the bed. If nobody come, oh my God, look what happened. And she never suffer. Never. Because she live a good Christian life. Me can swear for my grandmother. Okay, Damien, you have a great night. Bye.
Anyway, guys, as I say, one lady called me when know her. The lady said, Damien, I'm going to write it in her head. So it's funny if you see how some people quit for, oh, Damien, you cannot give up on people where the lady need. Listen to me, I'm not run mad people channel over here. Alright, so I'm telling you that. So, on a quick for believer, that's why pastor and people are always chipping a phone. Because they don't have sense. I'm telling you all the while. But anyway, tune in tomorrow. I'm going to get to you about my 75-year-old. Because we have a whole heap of things to talk about. Yeah. Our friend are going to talk about her tomorrow. Tune in live video. So we're going to learn the truth and know what is what. But anyway, guys, I come on live now, yeah? Love you, I'm gone.